Practice set 3.4, example number 7. In figure, measurement of arc NS is equal to 125 degree. Measurement of arc EF is equal to 37 degree. Find the measure of angle NMS. In this figure, angle NMS intersect this circle in point E, point F, point N, point S. From this angle, arc EF and arc NS are intercepted by this angle, and we have given in this example arc NS is equal to 125 degree and arc EF is given 37 degree. We have to find the angle NMS. For this purpose, we join the point E and S. Then we get angle NES is an inscribed angle and arc NS is intercepted arc by this arc. By theorem, inscribed angle theorem, then we get the angle NES 1/2 of the 125, that is 62.5 degree. Now let us consider arc EF is intercepted arc by the inscribed angle ESF. By inscribed angle theorem, we get the angle ESF is 1/2 of 37 degree, that is equal to 18.5 degree. Now consider the angle EMS, angle NES exterior angle. By the theorem of exterior angle, angle NES is equal to angle EMS plus angle ESF. Thus we find the angle EMS is nothing but the angle NMS. From the figure, angle NES is an inscribed angle and arc NS is a intercepted arc by this angle. Hence, angle NES is equal to 1/2 measure of arc NS. Substitute the value of arc NS, then we get angle NES is equal to 1/2 into 125 degree, that is angle NES is equal to 62.5 degree. Angle ESF is an inscribed angle and arc EF is an intercepted arc by this angle. Hence, by the theorem of inscribed angle, angle ESF is equal to 1/2 measure of arc EF. Substitute the value of measure of arc EF, then we get angle ESF is equal to 1 half into 37 degree, that is angle ESF is equal to 18.5 degree. In triangle EMS, angle NES is the exterior angle, hence by exterior angle theorem, angle NES is equal to angle EMS plus angle ESM. Hence angle NES is equal to angle EMS plus angle ESM. Substitute the value 62.5 degree plus angle EMS plus 18.5. We have to find out the value of measurement of angle EMS is equal to 62.5 minus 18.5, that is angle EMS is equal to 44 degree, but E is a point between M and N, hence the name of that angle we can write here. Instead of angle EMS, we write NMS is equal to 45 degree. Example number 8. In figure called AC and DE intersect at B, if angle ABE is equal to 108 degree, measurement of arc AE is equal to 95 degree. Find measure of arc DC. Given figure called AC and called DE intersect in point B, and we have given angle ABE is equal to 108 degree and measurement of arc A is given 95 degree. We have to find the measurement of arc DC. For this example, we join point A and D. If we consider angle ADE and arc AE, angle ADE is inscribed angle and this angle intercepted arc AE. Hence, by the theorem of inscribed angle theorem, we get the angle ADE, that is 95 upon 2, that is 47.5. Thus we find this angle. Angle ABE is the exterior angle of the triangle ABD. From the exterior angle theorem, measurement of this angle is equal to angle DBAD plus angle ADB. Thus we find the angle DAB, that is read as angle DAC If we know this angle, then we can find the arc of DC by inscribed angle theorem. Given angle ABE is equal to 108 degree, measurement of arc AE is equal to 95 degree. Hence, angle ADE is equal to 1/2 measure of arc AE by inscribed angle theorem. Angle AD is equal to 1/2 into, substitute the value of measurement of arc AE, that is 95. 95 upon 2, that is angle ADE is equal to 47.5 degree. This angle we have read that angle ADB, because B is between point D and E. Hence angle ADB is equal to 47.5 degree. Angle ABE, exterior angle of triangle ABD. By exterior angle theorem, angle ADB plus angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. We have to find the angle BAD is equal to angle ABE minus angle ADB is equal to 108 degree minus 47.5 degree. Hence angle BAD is equal to 60.5 degree. Angle BAD is nothing but angle CAD, because B is between point A and C. We read this angle as angle CAD is equal to 60.5 degree. Angle CAD is inscribed angle and arc DC is intercepted arc. Hence, by inscribed angle theorem, angle CAD is equal to 1/2 measure of arc DC. Substitute the value angle CAD, that is 60.5, is equal to 1/2 measure of arc DC. In right hand side 2 is divide, that will be multiple to the left hand side. Hence 60.5 into 2 is equal to measure of arc DC. Hence measure of arc DC is equal to 121 degree.